Updates. Where do we even begin? The garage is a disaster. We've been trying to do wiring on this. The Volvo fuel pump is in. Lines are ran, powers ran, that's all done. We're going to work on getting the headlight harnesses completed, which we're almost there. We've got a couple of things to do in the engine bay, and then we're basically done up here. Obviously interior still naked, but we have the harness in the car right there. We're actually going to run that across the dash over there because that's where the ECU is going to live. Got an ECU mounting plate over there, so we're going to work on that today, get some footage probably. It's very difficult to try to get anything accomplished in a garage, and I don't have like a full film crew here like behind us, and me and Ricky are doing all the work ourselves, so we're kind of stuck with recording what we can. This is fabric taped all the way through the factory fender hole there and right here, so we're gonna have to try to pull that up as much as possible. I don't know if you can see in there, it's kind of dark, but we're gonna try to pull that up to get it off the floor because it's kind of by the clutch pedal, because the harness is split in two. Half the relays are staying in the car, got the headlight shit going up front. We tried to retain most of the factory harness so we don't have any issues with like things running in tandem with circuits and all that bullshit. What else? I don't know. I don't know what else we did recently. The trunk's closed, I can't show you, but the power steering pump is in there. We'll get a video of that, a little breakdown of what we did there later. But stay tuned today. Hopefully we actually make some progress, and yeah, it's raining. Weather in Vegas sucks today. That's it. No other updates. Stay tuned. Alright, so quick update. We got the harness ran up over the dash through here, and we labeled and cut everything because we're about to do like a mil-spec, I forget what it's called, Ricky knows better than me. And then here's some power wires that go to the harness as well. We're in the backyard shortening the relay side because that's going to live inside the glove box, so we're going to go do that now. Alright, so we were working on the harness here. I already eliminated the rad fan harness that was there. But yeah, as you can see, we have a little bit of a mess. Everything's labeled. Labels. We're going to start taking this all apart. Ricky's going to get off grinder and help me. I'm not getting off grinder.
I wish I had the whatever notification sound that app uses.
Yeah, I don't know. Doing, doing. I'll add it later.
Cool. Throw it back in the car. So,
hold on, let's
you
finish.
Want to bring those closer? Is that the plan? Like pull them through and then trim?
Oh yeah, that's not a bad idea actually. But then we really need to. This is where the relabeling needs to happen.
I mean, they're still labeled.
I guess
just get them all to like the spot.
Pull them all out.
And that runs over here. So
yeah. So like, there you go. You're smart. Easy. Easy there, Chiefy.
Take that. That's what we should have done in the beginning.
Yeah, from the beginning we should have done this. Stupid.
There's that guy. Okay.
Well, that should bring that back.
Yeah, if you want to keep those.
Yeah, this we should leave length on because this needs to plug into that other. Well, that harness has got a leg on it.
It's all going to be in the glove box.
Yeah, even those runs coming off the other thing, it goes up.
Driver's side.
Yeah, so this can all stay up here. What's this?
Why did we depin every reason?
The horn? Such a waste of time. Wait, I'm confused now. Where did this go?
What?
So there's two things for the horn. 23 and 4 is also all go back to the horn relay.
Well, one probably daisy chains to the alarm. Bring it all the way through.
those. One more. That's a little bit better, I guess.
I got tiny arms! Well, the red one I can fix later or now.
So here's the connectors that we're going to be using. We got to get a bunch of 12-pin connectors because Ricky doesn't know how to Google.
They don't make one.
Deutsch. So it goes in like that, with a little weather seal. What side do you want this to be? You want this to be the female side or the male side?
I think it matters. But so there's female pins that they're different. The pins are different for each side.
No, I know that, but do you want this part of the harness to be female or male?
Doesn't matter.
Maybe because these are female as well. Make it just female right to the car.
Let's do this side. Oh, this whole fucking thing came out. This is completely separate.
That's nice.
Should have did this from the beginning.
100%.
For all you YouTube people, don't depin your relays.
Yeah, we depinned like each relay individually and pulled the wires through to try to clean it up. That was a mistake. You're better off just labeling everything, just cut it, and then do it that way.
That's it. So over there, this guy is by itself. Wherever, who knows where. It's like one by itself, just out of this whole fucking thing. Until 15 AM. Alright, come on, these are the...
Those are the ones we cut, the three.
Great. I was talking.
Okay. What is this? Fog lights that we don't have. But maybe. Maybe. I love how everything's covered in dust. How the coals though.
That's the call. The hole made?
No. Alright, cool. Intermission for a hookah.
Who makes it hard?
So we got one down. We got the connector here pinned out. Ricky's got this nice tool set. Insert the terminal and crimp using this style connector. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's done. We're about to do the larger one now, and then let's make sure that we mimic, especially because we put the same connector, so let's mimic that. So we gotta take back a little bit because it was a little too thick for the connector.
There's another size smaller, like a size 8, which is thicker, but I think it might be too big, and then I have to get on the connector.
Okay, so now we want to do the same thing. So this one, and I need these locks. Pop the weather seal out. Oh wait, no. Hello? Wait, this isn't the right connector, is it? No.
These ones.
Wait a minute.
Came with the pins. It's a full kit.
No, I'm just an idiot. I had it backwards.
It's kind of like a mind fuck.
I'm not going to put the lock in all the way because we're going to do the other one still. Yeah.
Sick.
Making harnesses.